In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of ChatGPT as your very own Google Assistant. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, you might be wondering how on earth you can connect ChatGPT to Google Assistant. Well, here's the thing. You can't exactly plug ChatGPT into Google Assistant like you would with another app. However, what you can do is essentially turn ChatGPT into your personalized assistant that performs similar tasks. Sound interesting? Let's dive into it. First off, one of the easiest ways to get started is by installing a specific ChatGPT extension designed for Google Assistant. What this does is allow you to use the advanced capabilities of ChatGPT in a manner that's quite similar to how you would interact with Google Assistant. Just picture it. You're typing in your queries, and on the right side of your screen, there's ChatGPT crafting responses to all your inquiries. It's like having a knowledgeable friend at your fingertips. To install this extension, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, search for ChatGPT Google AI Assistant. There will be various options that pop up, so go ahead and choose the one that suits you best. Remember, it should ideally say it's designed for Google Assistant. Once it's installed, you'll notice a small icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. Clicking on this will open up a window where you can begin typing in your questions. Now, you might also be interested in using ChatGPT with a voice interface. If typing isn't your thing, or if you simply prefer speaking your queries out loud, you can absolutely do that too. In Chrome, just search for ChatGPT Voice. This search will lead you to several voice-enabled extensions. There's one I really like called Voice Chat GPT, which is quite user-friendly and makes the whole process of interacting even smoother. Once you've installed a voice extension, you can activate it and start using your voice to ask questions. This can be a game changer, especially when you're multitasking or just don't feel like typing. Imagine just saying, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you tell me the weather for today?" and hearing the response read back to you. It really adds a personal touch to the whole experience. And here's a tip. If you enjoy getting more out of ChatGPT, consider trying out additional extensions like the ChatGPT search engine. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by throwing in ChatGPT's input on search results and more, making your online research much more efficient. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that although we can't connect ChatGPT directly to Google Assistant, utilizing these extensions lets you tap into the best of both worlds. By creatively using the tools available, you can make ChatGPT serve a similar function to that of Google Assistant. If you have any questions, thoughts, or comments about how to get this all set up, please don't hesitate to drop them below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help you through any stumbling blocks you might encounter. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively create a personalized assistant experience with ChatGPT. Experiment with different extensions, find what works best for you, and soon you'll be navigating your day-to-day tasks with a little extra help from this AI powerhouse. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.